Namaskaram. We welcome you to the Kuchipudi recital of Srimati Uma Murali Krishna. Uma is a dancer par excellence, well versed in both Bharatnatyam and Kuchipudi. She has undergone professional training from iconic gurus including Padma Shri K. Dandayudapani Pillai and Padma Shri Adyar K. Lakshman in Bharatnatyam and Padma Bhushan Rempati Chinnasatyam in Kuchipudi. She has performed extensively in India and abroad. Uma is the founder-director of Subhashila Academy of Fine Arts, where she teaches Bharatnatyam and Kuchipudi. She has received innumerable awards and titles: the Kalaimamani conferred on her by the government of Tamil Nadu, Yuva Kala Bharati from Bharat Kalachar, Natya Kala Ratna and Singaramani, to name a few. Today, Uma will be accompanied by a versatile group of artists to complement her dance.
Num dum da da num da da num dum da da num da num dum da da num da num da num dum da da num da num dum da da num dum dum da num da num da num da num dum dum da da num da num da num da num dum dum da da num da
Uma will begin with the Ganesha Pancharatnam, a composition of Sri Adi Shankaracharya, which consists of 5 stanzas praising Lord Ganesha. Mudakarata Modakam, the one with the Modakam on one hand, Sadhavi Mukti Sadhakam, he who removes the obstacles. Ganesha Pancharatnam, in the Ragam Hamsadvani, set to Adi Talam.
Ekadandam Mahakayam Tapta Kanjana Sannibham Ekadandam Mahakayam Tapta Kanjana Sannibham